Inday Glenn is a Londoner now. Alright, welcome to Inday Glenn's channel. You're gonna love it and enjoy it today. Yeah! We're gonna roam around London. Siyempre, nakailan. Lubos-luboson ka pala. Introduce Liam. Introduce Liam.
Good, thank you.
Nag-intro na ko kanina. Hindi ta akong kamaan magkaraya. Ang aking addiction sa karaya, na hindi ka karaya. Amo na siya gano'n. Engine room. Oo, that's engine room. Oh, this is a 20 tons of coal. Bago pa naka, engine na, no? Tapos, engine rin tayo dahil may engine tayo dyan. Bukas ba na sila nga? Dali na tingin. Ganit. Sige na. Ito ay natos Pinas niya. Wow! We don't use this anymore for Hi! Look, it looks like a licorice. What? The engine. It's moving actually. Ano may vlogger? Kung ano mo ay gagamit sa ngayon na sige rin ko. That's it. We're here at the engine party. And it's moving and it's working. It looks like Candy Crush. Like a licorice candy. Dalong din ay. Guys, nasa engine room tayo ng Tower Bridge. Ayan siya. Ayan.